Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Sandra. I welcome you to this production. Oh, my goodness. I have been battling with the screen and technology, but here we are. Finally, I believe we have done it. So, I trust this meets you well. This is Saturday, the 26th of February, 2022. I am coming before you today to do something that I normally do privately and for my own exclusive students that I mentor. Now, I want to do some chatting. I want us to chat Bitcoin. I feel that a lot of us are invested in Bitcoin. A lot of people that I know are also very invested in Bitcoin. And given the dynamism of the marketplace this week, given all the dynamics, especially, chiefly, principally, the fact that Vladimir Putin has invaded Ukraine as we speak. He did 2 days ago. There was a lot of snap in the market. There was a lot of movement, push, momentum, dips, peaks, because what was poisonous to one was an opportunity to another. You see, the beautiful thing about Forex is that the sky, the grass is always green. When a shock comes to the market, you can make money. Even if you are unfortunate enough to have lost money originally, you can claw your money back. You are even in a better position to make more money than you would have already made had been all conditions equal and nothing happened to the market. And that's what we face this week. What do I mean? Let's go to the charts. Let me explain. Before I put on the charts, though, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. I want to invite you to like my video. I want to invite you to share my video. I want to invite you to follow me on all my social media handles. I'm going to be putting them at the bottom of the video so that we can all begin to connect, and you can begin to connect to me and see my messaging across all of the social media everywhere, from TikTok to Insta to Twitter and YouTube channels as well. So it's a journey that I'm hoping that you are going to enjoy, from the newbie to the extremely advanced. You know, my content is designed with everybody in mind, and so I hope to come to you with this topic in an easy, digestible format, in the format that makes sense to the layman on the street. You know. So let's go. Let's go to TradingView and let us proceed to trade. Look at it. Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. I had charted some patterns initially. Let me take that away so that it doesn't clutter our view. Let me explain what has been happening in the market. You can see that previously I've charted supports and resistances, also identified some minor support areas. Now, this is what has happened this week. Number one, Vladimir Putin invaded Ukraine. The markets fell. Everybody was in shock. Panic set in. Panic entered the market. But the market is full of resilient players. Because as people were exiting from indices, from stocks, from crypto, from currencies, from oil, other people were, not oil, other people were entering into the gold market. Other people were, oh, bear with me. Entering the silver market. Other people were entering the oil market. If you had invested 1,800 in a standard lot, which is 100,000 units of gold, you would have made $12,000 in profit. If you had invested $710 in one lot of oil. Ladies and gentlemen, you would have made over $17,000 back. The market has proved to be incredibly rich and incredibly rewarding. And so the situation now is that just as Bitcoin dipped, and it dipped by, let me see, were I to use my ruler, the dip was 12.55%. Look at it. It dipped 12.55%, which is over 4,907 pips. That was the dip. Ladies and gentlemen, the corresponding rise in Bitcoin price, I'm also going to measure it so that we can see what I mean. People made more money in the rise than in the dip. What do I mean? Let me measure it. Look at, from the point where the market started resurrecting until this point here, the market rose by 15.33%. Remember, it was 12.55 this way. By 24 hours, within 24 hours after that dip, Bitcoin rallied to that support level of 40,065. It almost hit 40,000, 15.39%. Ladies and gentlemen, that rise continued today because Bitcoin is now at this level. It has broken the 40,000 mark. In fact, yesterday it broke the 40,000 mark. And were I to also try to qualify the percentage increase by using my ruler, %17.25%, 5,946 pips. That is money right there. A lot of us made money. My question, did you make money? Did you even realize that there was such an opportunity in the market? Did you realize that as Putin had invaded Ukraine, that it meant ample opportunities for you? When I started doing my initial patterns analysis and I started looking at the market condition, ladies and gentlemen, what immediately hit me was that, number one, it was bullish. Although the pullback was lower low, it was showing me a higher high. So I knew that the market was positioned for an increase, and it was so. Look at it, 40,281. So when I continued to do my analysis, one or two other things jumped to my eye. Let me share that with you. I immediately saw that we had a channel developing, an ascending channel situation. An ascending channel which saw increase, then a decrease, increase, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. Consistent highs, meaning that the channel was still seeing high income pricing activity. The thing about channels is that at some point something has to happen here. At some point the market will decide what to do when it comes out of this channel, because this channel cannot go on forever. There's a time to begin the channel, there's a time to end the channel. What will happen? What will the market do when it comes to the end of the channel? What will the market do? How will the market react? Will the market go up? Will the market come down? That is the question. And that's what I want to help us understand, because this is the most immediate Bitcoin position. So were I to attempt to answer this question, then therefore, I would let you know that the market, which is going up now, we can see that it's going up, is projected to keep going up in the spirit of this same here. Will it make a higher high? Will it make a lower low? I don't know. But there's a channel, and that formation, this will respect it. I'm seeing that this will come and hit the roof of the channel, the resistance, again at an approximate $40,000, and it will also come down again. That channel behavior will carry on until such a time as it will start going down. The next move of this channel is up. If you are not in the trade, I would ask you to get into the trade now, because this is where that leg is. This is where that leg is. The candlestick action is telling us that there's a lot of movement, there's a lot of positivity, there's a lot of green candling. So were I to attempt to do a potential opportunity analysis, this opportunity potentially can give us now, if it hits that ceiling of 40-something thousand, about 1,000 pips. 1,000 pips, 1,479 pips. That's the opportunity size. So that's the opportunity size. Get in, put your stop loss in, and wait for it to ascend. Set your take profit, put your stop loss in, enter the trade, and ladies and gentlemen, Bob's your uncle. Channeling can be a very profitable strategy, you know, when you enter at one leg and exit at the other. All you need to do is, once you know there's a channel in place, you play the highs and the lows. And that's what I'm doing. I'm making some money on the side doing that. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a very good opportunity. Now, for more of this, I have taught you a little of what I do and what I'm capable of. I want to continue that relationship with you. There are a number of different ways I can help you. I can give you fish, or I can teach you how to catch a fish. It doesn't matter even if you just joined Forex today. I have a strategy for you. You can start making money immediately. I can give you my own specialist signals. I can give you my own specialist calls. I can direct you, I can steer you, I can mentor you, I can handhold you. This race, this Forex race, is winnable. There is nothing that has presented itself an opportunity such as this time and season has. I want to encourage you to come and either collect fish or come and learn how to fish. I teach, I coach, I train Forex, crypto, indices, options, a number of financial instruments, gold, silver. There's a lot of money in gold and silver right now, and also oil. Let me help you. Let me teach you. All you need to do is reach out to me using my details under this video. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, you want to subscribe. There are a number of wonderful things that we are doing, a number of wonderful things that I want you to be part of. I don't want you to be far away. I want you to be near and take advantage of the number of different services I can offer. This is the opportunity to make a difference to your financial circumstances. This is the time to make a difference. This is the time to take the bull by the horns. Forex is not difficult at all if you know how. It's a list of rules, list of techniques, list of know-hows. I can teach you how to do it. Trust me, many others have, and they're enjoying it. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to sign out at this point. I'm going to wish you a very happy weekend. Keep your eye on our page, because on a daily basis, I will be doing a Bitcoin analysis to help you understand the strategies to adapt, the strategies to take. And within my private mastermind group, I'm going to be giving them trade calls, signals that will profit them immensely. Thank you so much.